Hi students, Department of Technical Education, Telangana. My name is T. Rajshekhar, working as a lecturer in civil engineering from SRRH GPT Sircilla Polytechnic College. And this is for the subject I am going to teach leveling surveying for the students of Diploma in Civil Engineering students, first year, second sem. And the subject code is 18 scheme 205C. And from the chapter of Unit 2, Concept and Calculation of RLs. So today we are going to see the problems on HI method, that is called height of instrument method. So the problem number 1, the following staff readings were taken on an uneven ground with a 4 meters leveling staff. So on a flat or any uneven ground, a 4 meters leveling staff is taken, and calculate reduce the levels of all the points by height of instrument method. So the height of instrument method we have to use and apply usual checks. Usual checks, we have the arithmetic check. Whatever the calculation we have done, we have to check by the formula. The instrument was shifted after 3rd, 5th and 7th station readings. The first reading was taken on a benchmark, that is 100 meters. So the benchmark was given, first reading is 100 meters. So we can see here, whatever the readings here gave, these are all called the leveling staff points on the ground. So these are all ground level points which are taken on the ground. So we can see here at what place this 3rd and 5th and 7th station are coming, we can identify here. So from the first station, that is first point, it is known as 1.20 will be the number 1, 2.65 will be the first one, whatever we are getting, that is 1.20 is back side, and the 2.65 will be the intermediate side, and the 3.50 will be the FS. Why? Because this is the 3rd reading, okay, and after that 2.40 will be the again BS. So here change point 1 we will get, that is nothing but 3rd reading where it occurs FS and FS, FS and back side 2.40, and after that again we are getting an intermediate side, that is 1.950, and FS we are getting, that is 0.90. So this FS on the 5th station we are getting 50 point, okay, and after that 1.80 will be the back side and 3.70 will be the intermediate side, okay, and it will be the 2.50 will be the FS 4 side. So up to here we have got the station points. So and the last one will be, this will be the 7th reading point which is changing. This will be the 0.82 will be the back side and 1.70 will be the 4 side. So let us see here, we have the table. So this is the table everyone have to draw. In this we have to draw, first one is station and the BS back side, intermediate side, 4th side, height of instrument method, RL, and in the last column is remarks. So we have to write first of all this, and how many station points we are having, totally 8. Let us count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these are all points, okay. So we are writing station points 8. So the first one will be the reading which is called, that is back side 1.20. You can see here, this first one is called 1.20, okay. This is on the staff, okay, on a flat level ground. The first one will be the benchmark. So the instrument is fixed here. So when you see this one, it is called BS, that is called first reading 1.20, okay. And the next which is called, so you can write here, this is called BS1, and after that we are having the intermediate side, that is another one. So from here you can write, that is IS, you write it as IS. This is IS. and next one will be that is third one, FS. So this FS is called 3.5. Okay, IS is 2.65, FS is 3.5. So can you see in the table? So IS is 2.65 and the FS is how much? 3.5. So now here we are getting the change point 1. So whenever the change point we are getting, that is backside will be the 2.4. So this is the 2.4. So again we will get instrument. Okay. So in this point it is called change point 1. It is called change point 1. So we are seeing instrument here. So this will be the BS. Okay. So BS of 2.4. This will be the BS 2.4. So now next point, which is the 1.95, will be the intermediate side. So this will be the IS. This point will be the IS. And the next point, which is the 0.90. So this will be the, what it will be there? You can see here. 1.95 is the intermediate side, and the fourth side which is there, that is 0.90. So this is exactly at the fifth station. We can observe here. This is at the start station. We have got the FS. Okay, this will be the last point. And at the fifth station, we have got the 0.90 at the last station. So this is called CP2, change point 2. So we can see here FS. So that will be this one. This is known as FS. FS is 0.92. So here station, you can see here this station is nothing but A. We keep it as A, and this one as B. Okay. Now let us see which is the 1.80 after FS it is getting, that is BS. So now let us draw again here instrument. So now you see here this point. So this will be the BS. Okay. So this BS will be here 1.80. So now next what point will be coming? Intermediate side or FS? Intermediate side. So we can see here 1.80 is backside completed. Now the intermediate side is 3.70. So we can see here the leveling staff will come. So you write it as IS. So this IS is called, which is this one, 3.70. Then after that, which point we doesn't have? The last point station will be having FS. So this is called FS is how much? 2.50. So in the diagram you can see question also. So the FS is 2.50. So this is at the 7th change station point, and we will mark it as change point 3. So we can observe here this station is C, and this will be the 7th station. Again we will get an instrument. So now our last readings are there. That reading is called BS. So this BS is called 0.85, and the last one will be there, that is FS, and this is called 1.70. So we can see here in the table also 0.85 will be the BS and 1.70 will be the FS. So like this we have to draw the diagram, but in examination we doesn't have the time. You have to come to directly to the table. Okay. So in table we can find out directly. So in this you can see here. So now let us write the point numbers. That is, first one will be the 1, 2, and this is 3, 4. Here 2 points will come because FS and BS are there, and here 5. So here 6 and 7 will be meeting here, and this is 8, 9, 10. Okay. So these are all called the totally 10 points. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are having 11. So have we missed any point here? We can observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, here we have missed one point. That is FS and BS, and the last one will be the level. So we have got the shifted the third point which is there. So this is CP1 is called 3 and 4, change point 1. Okay, again at station which 5th and 7th which are there. So but here when the 5th has come, this is intermediate side, in between 6th and 7th reading it will be changed. Okay, and after then we will be getting the reading that is at the 9 and 10. Okay, that is FS and BS again meeting here. So I think so here in the question itself it is 3rd and it is at the 6th. We take it as 6th. Okay, 3rd and 6th, and it is at the 9th. 3rd, 6th and 9th station. Okay, 3rd, 6th and 9th station readings. So now let us come into the problem. So we have to calculate HI, and we have to calculate HI of station 3, station 5 and HI of 7. So RLs we have to calculate for the all stations. Okay. So now let us calculate the H of height of instrument method and RLs. So first in the setup 1, so the first one we have to calculate, that is our formula, RL of benchmark. Okay, so this is RL of benchmark, it was given 100. So to get the height of instrument, the formula is RL plus BS. So 100 plus what we have to do, 100 plus 1.20, then you will get how much answer. So this is RL of HI is equal to RL of benchmark plus backside. So RL of benchmark already given, that is 100.00, and the backside is 1.20, we will get 101.20. So that you have to write here 102 point, how much you will get, 100 point. You can write in the calculator also, that is 101.2. So this is the HI. We got now HI of station point 1. Now to get the RL of station 2. So this is the RL of station 2. To get the RL of station 2, what we have to do? So now we got the HI, that is RL of point 2 is equal to RL of HI minus IS. IS means intermediate side. So how much we got? 101.20, that is known as HI, and the highest how much given, 2.65, then we will get 98.55. so that means this is HI. So from this we have to do the minus 101.200 HI minus HI of station 1 minus IS of station 2, then we will get how much the answer is, 98.55. So you write it here, 98.55. So this is the RL of station 2 we have got. So now to get the RL of station 3, what we have to do? The height of the instrumentation is 101.200 we have got. So from this we have to do the minus of 3.50. So that is RL of change point 1 is equal to RL of HI minus FS. So how much we have got? That is 101.20 minus FS is how much given, 3.50, then we will get 97.70. So in the change point 1 only we are doing this one. So 101.200 minus 3.50, then we will get how much? The answer is 97.70. Write this one in the station of 2, station 3. Okay, 97.70. Now to get the again HI of station 3, so to get the HI of station 3, what we have to do now? So this 97.70, same formula, RL plus BS. BS how much it is given? 2.40. So do here, that is in the setup 2. So RL of HI 3 is equal to RL of change point 1 plus BS, that is 99.70 plus 2.40 is equal to, you will get 101.10. So that is nothing but, you can see here, 97.70 plus 2.40. We will get the answer as how much? 101.10. So write it here, 101.10. Clear? So this is the answer of setup 2. Now next we have to get the RL of station 4. Okay, this one completed. Now we have to get the RL of station 4. So to get the RL of station 4, now we have got the HI. Okay, we have got the HI of station 3. Now we have to do HI of station 3 minus IS of station 4. How much it is? 1.95. So 101.10 minus 1.95. Then you will get the RL of station 4. How much you will get the RL of station 4? That is RL of station 4 is equal to RL of HI 3 minus IS of station is equal to 101.10 minus IS is 1.95. Then we will get 98.15. So you will write it here, 98.15. So in this way we have to calculate the other respected RLs and height of the instrument also. So now let us see the now next one is called, that is RL of station 5. So after calculation of RLs only, then we have to go for the in the same station, that is height of the instrument. Okay, before, without not getting the RL, we cannot calculate the height of the instrument. Okay, so now to calculate the RL of station 5 is equal to, that is, let us see now here, 101.10. So you do this one, 101.10 minus 0.90. How much we will get? That is RL of CP2 is equal to RL of HI station minus FS. So this will be coming here again, minus 0.9 is equal to 99.20. Okay, so from this we will get 99.20. We have got the now change point 2 also. So now again we have to calculate the height of the instrument at what, at which station? That is at the 5th station point. So to get the HI height of the instrument, now we have to do the same formula, that is 99 point, that is RL plus backside 99.20. What we have to do? 99.20 plus 1.80. Then we will get the height of the instrument at station 5. So here RL of HI is equal to RL of CP2 plus backside. So that is, we have got the 99.20 and the backside is 1.80. We will get 101.00. So that is 99.20 is equal to, we will get 101.000. Okay, so up to here we have got the height of the station point, height of the instrument station point 5. Now let us calculate the again RL of station 6. So to get the RL of station 6, now we have got the height of the instrument station of 5th. Okay, so now same process, 101.00 minus IS, which IS? That is at the station point 6, 3.7. So how much you will get answer? RL of station point 6 is equal to RL of HI minus IS is equal to 101.00 minus 3.7. we will get 97.30. So that is called 97.30. So whatever we are getting, these RLs are called ground levels. Okay, on the ground, how it is there, the points by we can calculate with the reduced levels. Okay, and now again let us calculate the RL of station 7. So now here again change point 3 has came. So to get the RL of change point 7, what we have to do? We have to take 101 minus 2.5. Okay, so that is 101 HI of station 5 minus FS of station 7. So we can see here change point 3 is equal to 101 minus 2.5. We will get 98.50. So we will write here 98.50. So now finally we can calculate the height of the instrument, that is at the 7th point. So same formula, RL of station plus BS. So how much RL we are having here? Now we got 98.50 plus the station point which is there 0.85. Then we will get the answer is this one. How much you will get? Set of 4. RL of CP3 plus bench backside is equal to 98.50 plus 0.85. We will get 99.35. So that is nothing but here 99.35. Okay. Now the last one is called, that is FS. So now we have got the height of the instrument at 7th point. So from this 99.35 minus 1.70, then we will get the last station, that is RL is called. How much the value we will get? RL of 0.8 is equal to RL of height of instrument 7th station, that is minus, and FS is equal to 99.35 minus 1.70. We will get 97.65. So this is last one reading is 97.65. So now we have got the all the station points RLs and all the station point height of the instruments. So by this method we have to calculate the first of all height of the instrument and reduce the levels. Okay, so and we have to mark the compulsory at which point change point 1, change point 2, change point 3 is coming. Okay, so now finally let us check the arithmetic check. So before checking we have to do the total of backside. How much the total we will get? So let us see here. So you do the plus 1.20 plus 2.4 plus 1.8 plus 0.85. So how much you will get? 6.25. So this is 6.25. So write it here 6.25. Only we have to calculate the total of backside and FS. Now let us calculate the total of FS. How much the total we will get? Do again addition. 3.5 plus 0.9 plus 2.5 plus 1.7. We will get 8.6. 8.60 is the answer. So after getting this backside and FS, now let us calculate the check. So the arithmetic check formula is equal to sigma BS minus sigma FS, that is sigma backside minus sigma FS. So sigma backside total is 6.25 and sigma foreside is 8.6. We will get the answer as minus 2.35. And next one is last RL minus first RL. So how much we are having last RL and first RL? We can see in the table again. So the last RL is 97.65 and the first RL is how much? How much we will take? You can see here 100. 97.65 minus 100 is equal to minus 2.35. So hence these two answers are, we got the same. So the hence check is okay. So like this we have to do the problem of height of the instrument method. So this problem is very important for your examination. So this question will be coming in the essay marks question for in the upcoming exams. Okay, so let us, you can see the problems. If any mistakes are there, you can calculate it with your calculator. So this, the method is very important to solve here. Okay, so now let us see the problem number 2. So now the problem number 2 is there. So this is given directly table. So in some cases the direct table will be given. So already here reduced levels were calculated. Okay, so I will be explaining you how this RLs are scaled. So same as the method. So here in the station we are having totally 12 station points are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the first point is given backside 0.780, and here IS are given for 1.540, 1.960, 2.430, 2.990, and next we will getting 4 side, that is 3.480. So here change point 1 we will get. Okay, and the benchmark is given, that is first one 180. Okay, and after here the backside will be there, that is 1.155. Okay, and after that again from here, so the steps will be like this, you can see here. So from here to here and here to here, so it will be coming like this, and after that again it will come to here. So then after 1.155 again it will coming to here, the IS 1.960, 2.37, and from here it comes here 3.640, that is 4 side, and after that again 0.935 back side, and from here 1.0545 IS, 1.630 IS, and from here the last one will be the last station 2.550. So like this the readings were taken on the ground level. So the reduced level was given, that is first one 180. So as we know our formula to get the height of the collimation, we have to do 180 plus 0.780. We will get 180.780. That is the height of the station, height of the instrument, or height of collimation station 1. Okay, height of the station 1. So this is the 180.780. Okay, and next to get this station, how much the RL of station 2. Okay, RL of station 2 get what we have to take here, that is 180.780 minus 1.54. So you please type it in the calculator also when I am explaining you, minus 1.54. So we can check here, the answer is 179.240, right? Again from the 180.780 you come to the third point, that is intermediate side. So do this one, 180.780 minus 1.960. How much you got? 178.820. So this is the third station point RL. So up to here 1, 2, 3 we have got. Now coming to the fourth station RL point, same HI we have to take at the fourth intermediate side. 180.780 minus 2.430. 180.780 minus 2.430. Then we will get the answer is 178.350. Another one is last one, that is to get the RL of station 5, 180.780. Then we have to do the minus of 2.990. 2.990. Then we will get the answer is 177.790. So up to here we have got the fifth station points. Okay, we have got 2, 3, 4 and 5th. So now to find out the change point of the sixth one, so what we have to do, we have to take from the height of the instrument method itself. Okay, so from this 180.780 height of the instrument minus 3.48, you will get 177.300. Have you got it, the answer? So this is the answer we will get. This is the RL of station point 6. From this we have to do the minus of FS, 180.780 minus 3.480. Now as per the formula to get the height of the instrument, this 178.455, we have to do RL plus BS. RL how much we got? 177.300. So now do 177.300 plus 1.155. How much you got? 178.455. So this is the answer. So which one we have to take? We have to take this one. Okay. Now let us see the RL of station 7. So to get the RL of station 7, again we have to take from this one 178.455 minus 1.960. 1.960. Then we will get 176.495. This is the RL of station 7. So in the table itself I am explaining everything. You can understand by this very clearly. And again from height of the instrument, that is 178.455, we have to do the minus of which station? Intermediate station of 8. So same 178.455 minus 2.370. How much you will get? That is 176.085. So here it is 175 came mistakenly. So we have to write 176.085. So let us see here. The answer is whether it is that one or not. Yes, the answer is 176.085. Okay. So this is, make it as a 6. 176.085. Okay. And the next RL of station 9. So to get the RL of station 9, what we have to do? From the side of the instrument 178.455 minus 3.64. 178.455 minus 3.64. We will get 174.815. That is the RL of station 9. So after getting the RL of station 9, now let us see, calculate the height of the instrument of station 9. To calculate here, same formula, RL of station 9 plus backside of station 9. So 174.815 plus 0.935. How much we got? 175.75. So this is the answer. So up to now we have got the height of the instruments of 2 points. So here also it will be the CP. So this is CP1 and this is the CP2. And the next one of RL of station, which is 10. So to get this one we have to do height of the instrument of the station 10th point minus IS. That is 175.75 minus 1.045. How much you will get? That answer is 174.705. So again, after knowing this, if you want to get the RL of station 11, so we have to do from this only 174.75 minus 1.630. 175.75 minus 1.630. Then we will get 174.120. So this is the RL of station 11. So now the last point we are getting, that is RL of station 12. So from this we can take 174.75 minus 2550. 2550. So we have got the answer is last one is 173.20. This one is the last one. So like this we have to calculate all the answers compulsory in this table. So we can now calculate the total back set. We will get the answer as 2.87 and the total FS foresight is 9.670. Okay, so now let us apply the check here. So these are all steps which I have explained now. So sigma BS minus sigma FS is equal to 2.870 minus 9.670. We will get minus 6.80, and from the last RL minus the first RL is equal to 173.200, 180. We got minus 6, hence check is okay. So in this type we have to calculate the problems. If directly it was given in the table, so we can go for the directly calculation, but the steps we have to write compulsory. For the steps only you will have the marks. Okay, without steps if you write directly in the table it will be marked as a copy. Okay, and let us see the next problem, that is problem number 3. So now here also you can see here, that is following are the staff readings observed with a level. First observation taken on TBM, that is temporary benchmark of RL is 175.00, and complete the field book and show necessary checks. So we have to show the necessary checks. So now here in the table itself we can go for the problem. So the steps are also there very clearly. So let us see here, RL was given, that is 175.000. So the temporary benchmark of RL, note it as a temporary benchmark of RL. So if in the cases sometimes we will not get the RL or RL will not given. So in the examination question marks also we will not get. So if in the sub cases the temporary benchmarks were not given, you can take in any field, that is 100.000. 100 is the constant value for the any ground level. Okay, so now here how many station points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first point is given 2.225, that is back set. So as per our formula to get the HI, what we have to do? HI is equal to RL plus BS. So RL is given 175 and BS is given 2.25. How much answer you will get here? That is HI of station 1 is equal to RL of station 1 plus BS of station 1. So like this you have to write in the examination the points compulsory. So RL of station 1 is given 175 plus 225. We got 177.225. We have to write here 177.225. So this is the height of the instrument of the station point 1. Okay, so now to get the RL of station 2, what we have to write here? Same, that is RL of station 2 we have to write like this, and HI of station 1, okay, minus IS of station 2 is equal to 177.225 minus 1.605. We will get 175.620. So that means 177.225 minus IS of station 2. We will get the answer as 175.620. 175.620. So this is the answer we will get. And now to get the station RL, what we have to do here? Same, 177.225 minus FS, that is 0.955. You can see here we have to write RL of station 3 is equal to height of instrument station 1 minus foresight of station 3. So whatever we are doing minus or plus, we have to write the station number and we have to write whether it is the back side or foreside. So by this only we can know very clearly. So the 177.225 minus 0.955 is equal to 176.270. So we have to write 176 point, how much it is? 270. Okay. So like this we have to calculate now RL of station 3. So here we are having the change points also that we have not written. So wherever the BS and FS are meeting, that is known as HI2, here we will get here the CP1, the point. So we have to calculate now here height of the instrument 3. In this place we have to calculate. So this is written as change point 1. So height of station 3 is equal to RL of station 3 plus backside of station 3, that is 176.270 plus 2.09 is equal to 178.360. So that means we have to take which one here? 176.270. Okay. So here 176.270 plus 2.09. So from this we have to do this one. To get R, we have got the RL, so we have to take BS, RL plus BS. So we will get the answer is how much? 178.360. 178.360. So this point is called HI of station 3. So now let us calculate the RL of station 4. To get the RL of station 4, we have to do 178.360. From this we have to do the minus of 1.860, that is station 4. So RL of station 4 is equal to height of instrument station 3 minus intermediate side of station 4. So this one 178.360 minus 1.860. We will get the answer as 176.500. So that you write here RL station 176.500. We have got the now RL station of 4. So now let us calculate the RL of station 5. So to calculate the RL of station 5, that is HI of station 3 minus FS of station 5. So that is 178.360 minus 1.26 is equal to 177.100. So from this 178.360 we have to do minus of 1.260. How much you will get? The answer is 177.100. So this is the RL we have got. Now to calculate the, again here it is change point 2. Why we are saying change point 2? Because one backside and FS are scale. So that's why these are the two change points. Okay. Now let us to calculate the HI. To get the HI, RL of this station plus 0.6. 177.100 is equal to 0. So we have to write again change point 2. Height of station point 5 is equal to RL of station 5 plus BS of station 5 is equal to 177.100 plus 0.600. We will get the answer as 177.700. Right here 177.700. So this we have got height of instrument 5 also. Now the another one is called, that is the last station, RL of station 6. So this is not there. So RL of station 6 is equal to height of station 5 minus FS of station 6. That is 177.700 minus 0.985 is equal to 176.715. So from this we have to do the minus 177.700 minus 0.985. We will get the answer as 176.71. Wait. 176,715. So this is the last station point of RL. So we have got the now all the RLs. Okay, so RL from the starting point to the last point we have got. These are the change point 1, change point 2. Okay, now let us do the total of back side. Doing addition of this one, 2.225 plus 2.09 plus 0.6, we will get the answer as 4.915. This is the total, and from this Fs 0.955 plus 1.260 plus 0.985, we will get the answer as 3.20. This is the total of Fs. So now we are first RL and last RL. First RL is 175 and the last RL is 176.715. So let us apply in the arithmetic check. Sigma Bs minus sigma Fs is equal to sigma last RL minus sigma first RL, that is 4.915 minus 3.2 is equal to, we will get 1.715. So here we are getting positive. 176.715 minus 175. Here also we got positive. So hence check is okay. So in this way we have to do the problems of height of instrument method. So whatever the problem it is there, we have to do in this type method only. So you can see here, so in this class we have discussed today reduction of levels. So this formula is very important, height of collimation method, RL of Dm plus ds. So whereas to calculate the RL, Hc minus Is or Hc minus Fs. This the main thing we have to remember. Meanwhile it is the easy method, but in some cases we will be confusing. So in that confusing only we will make the answers wrong. And the arithmetic check is sigma Bs minus sigma Fs, that is last RL minus first RL. So like this the problems will be calculated, and here some of the frequently asked questions. So an example, a problem was given, so this you have to calculate. Okay, this is calculation for your assignment. The following readings were observed successfully with a level instrument. The instrument was shifted after 5th and 11th readings. So here 5th and in the 11th readings it was shifted. So it was given 0.585. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5th reading where the instrument will be changed. So one Bs and Fs will be there, and again 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th. So again the instrument will be shifted here. So here Bs and Fs will be there. So last Bs and Fs will be there. Okay. So draw up a page of level book and determine the RL of various points by HI method. If the RL of the point on which the first reading was taken is 136.440. So here the benchmark reading was also given, that is 136.440. Okay. So these are the problems. So thank you. If you have any doubts regarding this, please do the comments box or you can message me. So thank you. Have a nice day.